There are two types of booster seats: no back and high back booster seats. A high back booster seat is required when your vehicle does not have built-in head support. You must use a seat belt that has both a lap and shoulder belt when using a booster seat. Place your booster seat in the back seat of your vehicle with it flush against the vehicle seat back. Have your child sit in the car seat and pull the seat belt across the body of your child to buckle it. The lap belt must be placed under both armrests and should lie snugly over their upper thighs and not over their stomach. The shoulder belt must only go under the armrest on the buckle side and lie snugly over the center of your child's shoulder and chest, not over their face, neck, or upper arm. To help correctly position the shoulder belt on your child, it may be necessary to use the shoulder belt positioning clip or positioner on a high back booster. Thread the shoulder belt through the clip or positioner and adjust to ensure the shoulder belt goes across the chest and middle of the shoulder. It is important for your child's safety that they sit correctly in the booster seat. They should avoid slouching and should never put the shoulder belt behind their back or under their arm. When your child no longer needs to use a booster seat, it is important that they always use the seatbelt correctly and sit in the back seat if they are under the age of 13. So how do you know when they can leave the booster seat behind and just use the seatbelt? We will go through the 5-step test that can guide you when making that decision. If you answer yes to all 5 questions, your child is ready to use the seatbelt without a booster. First, can your child sit with their back against the vehicle seat? Second, can your child's knees bend at the edge of the seat and their feet rest flat on the floor of the vehicle? Third, does the lap belt sit on the top of their thighs, not on their belly? Fourth, does the shoulder belt sit between your child's neck and shoulder and across their chest? And lastly, are they mature enough to sit properly without slouching or playing with the seatbelt? Your new car seat will provide protection for your child for years to come. So always remember to use your car seat every time you travel.